Atomic origin of magnetism. The magnetic properties of solid arise due to electrons undergoing different motion in atom, which give rise to magnetic dipole moment. These atomic dipole moment are responsible for magnetic properties of material. In general, the magnetic property of atom arises from three sources: orbital motion of electron, spin motion of electron, and spin motion of nucleus. We know motion of electron produces a current, and to find the magnetic moment of a current loop, you can use the right hand thumb rule. If the curling of fingers, if it is representing the direction of current, then thumb indicates the direction of magnetic dipole moment. The rotation of the nucleus, the revolution and rotation of electron produces magnetic moment. The resultant of the magnetic moment gives the net magnetic moment of the atom. If all the magnetic moment are in the same direction, then the material behaves like a magnet. If all the magnetic moment are in the opposite direction, the material does not behave like a magnet. So the reason for magnetism is the uncompensated magnetic moment of the atom. Classification of magnetic material. Based on the magnetic property induced in the material in the presence of external magnetic field, and also based on the effect of temperature on magnetic properties, all magnetic materials are classified into three categories: diamagnetic, paramagnetic, and ferromagnetic material. Diamagnetic materials. Materials that are weakly magnetized in a direction opposite to the direction of applied magnetic field is known as diamagnetic material. Diamagnetic materials are repelled by magnetic field. The net magnetic moment of each atom of the material is zero. Example: gold, silver, zinc, etc. Features of diamagnetic material. When suspended freely in a magnetic field, they will align perpendicular to the direction of the applied magnetic field. When kept in a non-uniform magnetic field, they will move from the stronger region of the field towards the weaker region of the field. Magnetic susceptibility is negative and it does not vary with temperature. Permeability is less than 1. Paramagnetic material. Materials that are weakly magnetized in a direction same as that of the external magnetic field is called paramagnetic material. They are weakly magnetized by external magnetic field. They have permanent magnetic moment due to the presence of unpaired electrons, and normally they are aligned in random direction. Example: platinum, aluminium, etc. Features of paramagnetic material. When suspended freely in a magnetic field, a paramagnetic material will align parallel to the direction of the applied magnetic field. When it is kept in a non-uniform magnetic field, it moves from the weaker region of the field towards the stronger region of the field. Magnetic susceptibility is less and positive, and it depends on temperature. Permeability is greater than 1, and flux density inside a paramagnetic material is larger than that of air. Variation of susceptibility with temperature. Curie law of paramagnetism. Susceptibility of a paramagnetic material is inversely proportional to temperature. That is, chi proportional to 1 by T, or chi is equal to C by T, where C is called the Curie constant, which is given by mu 0 n mu e square divided by 3k, where k is the Boltzmann's constant, mu 0 permeability of free space, mu e magnetic moment of electron due to its spin and orbital motion, and n number of atoms per unit volume. And the graph which shows the variation of susceptibility with temperature. Ferromagnetic materials. Ferromagnetic materials are materials which are strongly magnetized in a direction same as that of the external applied magnetic field. They are strongly magnetized and attracted by applied magnetic field. They have permanent magnetic moment due to the presence of unpaired electrons, and normally they are aligned in random direction. Example: iron, nickel, cobalt, etc. Features of ferromagnetic materials. When suspended freely in a magnetic field, ferromagnetic material will align parallel to the direction of the external magnetic field. When kept in a non-uniform magnetic field, they will move from the weaker field to the stronger field. Magnetic susceptibility is large and positive. Permeability is greater than 1, and flux density inside a ferromagnetic material is much larger than that of air. Curie temperature Tc. Temperature above which a ferromagnetic material changes to paramagnetic is called Curie temperature of the material. Curie's law of ferromagnetism. Above Curie temperature Tc, the magnetic susceptibility of a ferromagnetic material is inversely proportional to T minus Tc, that is chi proportional to 1 by T minus Tc, or chi equal to C by T minus Tc. Features of hysteresis loop. When the magnetic field H increases, the magnetic flux density inside the material increases and reaches the maximum value called the saturation flux density. When H is decreased to 0, the flux density is gradually reduced and reaches to the point B on the graph. That is, the value of magnetic flux density exhibited by the material when the applied field H equal to 0 is called residual magnetism or retentivity. When the magnetic field H is applied in opposite direction, stage reaches where the magnetic flux density B equal to 0. This negative field intensity required to make the residual magnetism equal to 0 is called corrosive magnetic field. Further increase of applied field in opposite direction, the saturation flux in opposite direction is obtained. When the magnetic field H is applied in the original direction, the magnetic flux density also changes, and this change lags behind the change in the applied magnetic field H. This effect is called hysteresis, and the plot is called hysteresis curve.